Hi Harry, today we are going to draw a very emotional painting like a man is starving. So let's draw the outline starting from the head. So I'm drawing the head in the beginning. You can see his eyes is closing and the ear on the head and the hairs just unarranged without any arrangement, just haphazardly those are lying on the head. You can see the ear on the side. Awesome. So as you know, the man starving, so all the hands and all the organs are going to be very thin, just like you can see the bones. Okay, so his hands just wanting some money, and the rich people, you can see here the colorful is giving him or donating him the coins. So this is the body. You can see the bones on the side. Okay, another hand. This is also very thin hand, just holding the pot where people just give him the money. Okay, so this is the pot. You can see very simple. All right, and just wearing a very small dress, also just torn in some parts. Okay, because of the rough use, so many holes here within the clothings. You can see all the legs are very thin. Okay, and the bones, you can easily see the joints, so very hard touching. This kind of man starving in so many people in we can see like in our world, in so many people, you can say in many different countries. Awesome. So just basic outlines. So now you can see that I'm just going to put some shades, so moving the color canvas a little bit. So the hands, you can see, and another hand here. After putting the color, the shade becomes really visible. Okay, awesome. This is the legs. Okay, so all the organs are getting visible, just putting shades just to show a very simple elementary sketch. All right, so you can easily see from the man's body that he cannot eat and he's just suffering from malnutrition. That his figure shows us very thin and very stern in appearance. Okay, for the clothing, just putting few lines. All right, this thing just torn in many parts, so just showing the outward directions just to show that this is just torn here. Okay, and in the back you can see another shades. So this is the complete scenery, and there's a message here. You can see the message is that when you're struggling in life, everything just seems so black and white, and you are suffering from so many problems. So life becomes black and white. But if you are rich and you have money, then it becomes very colorful. Life seems to be very colorful, and the coins, those looks like the golden, you can see, because there's the golden part of the life. If the people have money, they have everything. If they don't have money, then they have nothing. So that's why colorful life with the golden money, and without color, black and white life with the money. So this is the message I just want to show, want to give you, want to send to all other people. So just imagine how lucky we are that we are not starving like this one, but we have to think about the people who are in need. We have to do good for the people. So that's our message: do good for the people, do better for the mankind. Thanks for watching. Hope you like the video. Do practice at home, and drawing is going to be very nice. See you in our next videos. You can also browse through our playlist to have different types of drawings. We have thousands of drawings in our playlist. You can select, and you have freedom of choice. Then you can do practice and start your own drawing. Thank you so much. Have a good day.